Hello, thank you for tuning with Delight today. Today's topic is going to be science. We will be doing 3 experiments. The first experiment is going to be elephant toothpaste, baking soda and vinegar balloon, and moon sand. If you guys are not familiar with these 3 experiments, elephant toothpaste is a foamy substance caused by decomposition of yeast, hydrogen peroxide, and warm water. Baking soda and vinegar is caused by baking soda and vinegar. Moon sand is a chemical reaction between oil and flour. Before we get started onto this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and please turn on our post notification. The first step you're going to do is you're going to place your pan in the middle, and then you're going to get your water bottle, and you're going to pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into your water bottle. Now you're going to get your 1 tablespoon and put 1 tablespoon of soap into your water bottle that has the hydrogen peroxide in. And then you're going to get your food coloring and any kind of food coloring you want. I'm going to choose red. And you're going to be adding 6 drops. Now you're going to get 3 tablespoons of water. First, I'm going to rinse this soap off. And then you're going to get 3 tablespoons of water, of warm water. Now you're going to get your pair of scissors and your yeast. And then you're going to cut it open. Now you're going to pour this into your warm water. And you're going to stir it for about 30 seconds. And make sure, just mix it until it's not like really clumpy. Now that you stirred it for 30 seconds, and if you have a clump like me, you can easily take it out or you can leave it in. Now you'll be pouring it into the bottle and you'll step back and see the reaction happen. The second experiment, we're going to be doing a baking soda and vinegar balloon. The materials you'll need are a pair of scissors, 2 empty water bottles, vinegar, a balloon, 1 tablespoon, and half a cup. You'll also need baking soda. The first step you're going to do is make your funnel. You'll want a pair of scissors to cut this. You need to be very, very careful while cutting this. And you're going to cut the very top first line. Now that you've got that cut, the next thing you want to do is get your other plastic water bottle and your vinegar and pour half a cup into your plastic water bottle. Now that you've got that done, you'll want to get your balloon and put it onto your funnel. Now you'll want to get 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And put it into your balloon. Now you'll want to take it off carefully, and you'll want to put it onto your bottle of vinegar. And then you'll want to put the baking soda into the vinegar and watch this blow. And now you want to take it off and tie your balloon. And this is how you make a vinegar and baking soda balloon. For our last experiment today, we'll be doing a mousse dough. The materials you need are oil. Any kind of oil is going to work. You'll need all-purpose flour, a fork, food coloring, gel or liquid is going to work. You also need half a cup, 1 cup, and a large bowl. The first thing you're going to do is get your all-purpose flour, and you're going to put 4 cups of all-purpose flour into your bowl. This is 1. 2. 3. Now you're going to take your oil and get your half cup and put half a cup of oil into your 4 cups of flour. Pour it in. Now you're going to stir this until it gets into a really smooth consistency. Now at this point, you're going to knead everything together with your hands. Now that you're able to fold it with your hands like this, you'll add your food coloring, and I'm going to use green. I added 6 drops, and I'm going to mix it with my fork. My food coloring didn't do much, but this is a really fun way to show you guys how to do kinetic sand at home with just all-purpose flour and oil. Alright, now that we have come to an end, let's do a quick recap of each science experiment. Going back to the elephant toothpaste, the hydrogen peroxide, yeast, and warm water is going to cause an exothermic reaction, meaning the foam is going to be hot. So if you would like to touch the foam, I do not recommend you to touch it right away. If you would like to, I would recommend you to let it cool down for at least 5 minutes or until the reaction has slowed down. Keep in mind that if you do touch the foam, it will stain your hand from the food coloring for a few days. Now with the baking soda and vinegar balloon, you should be very careful with this experiment because it will react very quickly if you're not ready. Make sure you are holding the balloon tight on the bottom, or else the baking soda and vinegar is gonna fizzle out. and be very careful when taking off the balloon so the bottle doesn't fall. Lastly, with the mousse sand, this one was super easy. All you needed was flour and oil. Mousse sand is just like kinetic sand. If you keep it in an airtight container, it shouldn't dry out and should last you up to a month or two. Now we have come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing these 3 experiments. If you guys done it at home, please let us know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.